So how long do these Philips OneBlade Pro blades last? So I've done something borderline irresponsible. I've been using this for about 14 months now almost. I just went back and looked at my purchase history. So what I was gonna do for this video was show you the difference between the blades doing each side of my face. But you can kind of see here as I started doing this, I realized that this wasn't really gonna be a comparison. The new blade completely kicked the butt of the old blade, and I probably should have changed it quicker than I did, but I still stand by, I think you could probably get a little bit longer out of these than they say. As you see, I mean, I don't have a full beard and stuff. I kind of keep this here. I have, you know, scruff and everything that comes in here. I don't even use this every single day. I typically end up using this probably 3-4 days out of the week. I'll kind of get a little bit of stubble and shave it off. Obviously, there's other people who are gonna have a lot more facial hair. People comment on these videos all the time telling me that. So I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing of the new blades. This is my old blade that I've been using on here. So you can see what this looks like when this gets to the point where you need to replace it. I've honestly used this way longer than they would recommend. They say typically 4 months is what you should get out of this. I've been using this for over 12 months. So you can see kind of those green patches like coming through there. I think essentially once you start seeing kind of that green wear pattern, you're supposed to change it out about then. So again, it depends on how often you're shaving and everything, but yeah, they recommend 4 months. So this is kind of what mine looks like, just to give you an idea of an old one that needs to be changed. So this is a 3-pack I picked up. You can see here 4 months is what they recommend. These are original blades, and kind of as I mentioned, there's really not any other good alternatives out there. The one that I saw kind of seemed like quite a mess, honestly. That was a different company, so I would just definitely stick with the proprietary blades like this. It's really not bad getting the 3 of these, and kind of as I told you, I mean, I've been able to push them quite a bit further than the 4 months, honestly. So it looks like you can get set up for shipments if you would like there, but otherwise this is how they come. Then you get 3 of them like this here. There's the brand new blade, kind of what that looks like. So there's my old one on the right versus the new one on the left. So obviously quite a big difference. You can see you don't see any of that green coming through like you do on the one on the right side there. So I'm definitely due for replacing this. So how do you replace this then? It's pretty simple. So you have the green button right here. When you push that upwards, that is gonna eject your old one. So you can see that's coming out. You just have this go the same way. Press this into, you'll see there's kind of this crisscross pattern. See the groove? You just get that lined up, push that down, and that locks into place. So that is all good now. So whenever you need to remove it, you just eject like that, but this will just click into place and then it stays in there nice and good. So now we are good to go with the new blade on here. That was a pretty huge difference having the new fresh blade on here. So definitely don't let it go too long. It says it can do about 4 months. You may be able to push it a little bit past that depending on how often you're using this. In general, I do feel like you can go longer with these blades just by the nature of kind of the design of these and everything. So since it's not like a traditional blade, you also don't get hair stuck in there and things like that. I feel like a lot of the time in the past when I'd be changing out a razor blade, it would be because the blade's getting really gross, it's getting clogged up with stuff. So with this, you really don't get that. And you can rinse this off underwater and everything too. This had never rusted on me or anything like that either. The blade itself, other than wearing down, held up pretty well over the year I was using it. If you have any other questions about this OneBlade Pro or any video ideas for me, let me know in the comments. So if you do need to pick up any of these refill blades, or if you need to pick up a OneBlade Pro for yourself, there's going to be an affiliate link in the comments and description for both of those. Please like the video if you found this helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.